Embarking on a journey to enhance your skills and knowledge. Click the Register for Course button to open the door to a wealth of educational possibilities. Once clicked, you'll seamlessly transition to the King's Funeral Education course registration page, where the first step towards your educational aspirations awaits. Seamless registration process. Fill in the essential information requested on the King's Funeral Education course registration page and eagerly hit the Submit button. Your gateway to a world of learning is just a click away. Post-submission, keep a keen eye on your inbox for a confirmation link. Your journey doesn't end here. It's just about to unfold. Confirming your registration. Upon receiving the confirmation email, click the embedded link to confirm your registration. This click will transport you to the King's Funeral Education course login page, your virtual gateway to a transformative learning experience. Sign in and get ready for an educational adventure. Navigating the course dashboard. Once logged in, a visual feast awaits you. The course modules stand before you, each promising to broaden your understanding. Keep an eye out for the PayPal logo next to the course name. A seamless payment journey is about to commence. Secure payment via PayPal. Click on the course name and you'll find yourself on the secure PayPal platform. The cost of this educational voyage is a mere $49, a small investment in the vast landscape of your professional development. Complete the payment process and PayPal will smoothly guide you back to the course login page. Unlimited access to knowledge. With the course now in your grasp, you gain unlimited access to all 11 modules. This isn't just a learning experience, it's an opportunity to elevate your expertise and career prospects. The doors to knowledge are wide open. Step through and embrace the boundless possibilities. Your educational odyssey awaits. In this illuminates the steps from clicking Register for Course to gaining unlimited access to 11 enriching modules. King's Funeral Education beckons you to broaden your horizons, offering a seamless registration process, secure payment options, and a wealth of knowledge. Don't just register, embark on an educational odyssey with King's Funeral Education, where each click brings you closer to professional excellence. Enroll now to begin your educational journey. kingsfuneraleducation.com